Hello everyone, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. This is day 26 of our 100 days interview question challenge. Today, we'll discuss one of the most important Java interview questions, final, finally, and finalize in Java, plus the throw and throws keywords. Let's get started. First, final keyword. The final keyword is used to restrict modification in Java. It can be applied to variables, methods, or classes. I've already explained this topic in detail in day 18, so make sure you check that video. It'll help you understand final variable, final method, and final class more clearly. In short, a final variable value cannot be changed, a final method cannot be overridden, and a final class cannot be inherited. In this example, we declared a variable a as final and assigned it a value of 10. The final keyword means that once a variable is assigned a value, it cannot be changed or reassigned. So, when we try to write a equals 20, the compiler throws an error saying, cannot assign a value to final variable a. That's why the final variable acts like a constant in Java, its value is fixed once initialized. 2. Finally block. The finally block is used with try-catch. It contains code that always executes, whether an exception occurs or not. It's mostly used for closing files, releasing resources, or cleanup tasks. In this example, we have a try-catch finally block. Inside the try block, we are dividing 10 by 0, which causes an arithmetic exception. The catch block handles this exception and prints, exception caught. Then comes the finally block, and this block always executes, whether an exception occurs or not. So, even after the error, the output will be, exception caught, followed by. Finally block always executes. That's why the finally block is commonly used for cleanup tasks, like closing files or releasing resources. 3. Finalize method. The finalize method is called by the garbage collector before an object is destroyed. It's used to perform cleanup operations before memory is freed. In this example, we have a class named test that defines the finalize method. The finalize method is called by the garbage collector before an object is destroyed. It's like a cleanup method for objects. Inside main, we create an object T of class test, and then we set T to null, which means it's no longer referenced. When we call system, GC, we're requesting Java's garbage collector to run. If the garbage collector runs, it will detect that T is unreachable and will call the finalize method. So the output will be finalize called. Keep in mind, finalize is deprecated in newer Java versions, and we now use try with resources or explicit cleanup instead. 4. Throw keyword. The throw keyword is used to manually throw an exception in Java. For example, we're using the throw keyword in Java. The throw keyword is used to manually create and throw an exception. Here, we're throwing a new arithmetic exception with the message, cannot divide by 0. That means whenever this line runs, Java will immediately stop the normal flow of the program and jump to the nearest catch block that can handle this exception. 5. Throws keyword. The throws keyword is used in a method declaration to specify which exceptions a method might throw. For example, we have a method named divide that declares throws arithmetic exception. This means that the method might generate an arithmetic exception while running, and it's the caller's responsibility to handle that exception. Inside the method, we perform int x equals 1 over 0, which causes a divide by 0 error. Because of this, an arithmetic exception is thrown at runtime. So, the throws keyword is used in a method signature to declare that the method might throw a specific exception, allowing the caller to handle it properly using a try-catch block. Let's quickly understand the difference between these important Java keywords, final, finally, finalize, throw, and throws, in a simple way. 1. Final, used to restrict modification. It can be applied to variables, methods, or classes. Example, final int x equal to 5, once assigned, it can't be changed. 2. Finally, used inside a try-catch block to execute cleanup code, like closing files or database connections. Example, finally, this block always runs, even if an exception occurs. 3. Finalize, a method called by the garbage collector before destroying an object, used to perform final cleanup operations. Example, protected void finalize. 4. Throw, used to manually throw an exception in your code. Example, throw new exception, error occurred. 5. Throws, used in a method declaration to specify which exceptions a method might throw. Example, void test, throws IO exception. In short, final prevents changes, finally ensures cleanup, finalize, handles object cleanup before destruction, throw actually throws an exception, and throws declares possible exceptions. So that's all for day 26. We learned about final, finally, finalize, throw, and throws in Java. And remember, the final keyword part is already explained in detail in day 18, so don't forget to go watch that video to understand it completely. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Stack Overchai. See you in the next one. Bye bye.